Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today's recipe is Bhindi Masala Marathi style. Now this recipe is a very quick and easy recipe, and I usually show all quick and easy recipes so that you're in and out of the kitchen in no time. But this one is so easy, so quick. I know everyone will love it because my family loves it too. You just have to have some few ingredients at home. Bhindi Masala will be ready in no time. Let's get started. Come on.
I'm using an iron tawa or skillet, and it's very good to cook in it as it releases iron into the food. I clean and oil it after every use for it to be rust free. Let's begin the recipe. I have cut the bhendi small. We will saute, moving it continuously until the stickiness goes off. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Saute on medium flame so that it does not burn. Saute until it's half cooked, still crunchy but breaks easily. Let's keep it aside for a while. We will continue cooking in the same tawa, adding more oil. Sesame seeds have to be sauteed until they start crackling. Curry leaves will give a nice flavor to the dish. Now we will saute the onions until just translucent. We need a nice crunch to the dish when we bite. With a very few spices, we will make this dish burst with flavor. Sometimes less is more. Give it a good mix. Check out the description box for the detailed recipe with measurements and also some of my Marathi recipes just for you. Let's add the half-cooked bhendi back into the tawa and continue cooking them with the masalas. Peanut crush will give a nice nutty flavor, and dried coconut powder will balance the spices. Look how lovely it looks already. We will not cover it but cook it open so that it doesn't sweat. This is a dry dish. Let's check if the bhendi is cooked. This is perfect. A fresh ginger at the end will take the dish to another level. We are almost done. See how quick it was? Garnish with coriander leaves and we are good to go. Look at how wonderful this looks, and I wish I could tell you how the kitchen is filled with the lovely aroma. Thanks for watching.
This is such a flavorful recipe. I know you're going to like it. How did you find this recipe? Did you like the recipe? If yes, then let me know what you think in the comments below. Give it a big thumbs up, show some love, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.